Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your password on the TikTok Android. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking to change your password on the TikTok, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the profile icon from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, you will see your profile. Now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the manage account. Now here you will see a password option, tap on it. TikTok will send you a code on your email or on your phone number. Once it will enter, now you have to enter the new password to change and after that click on the next. Once you will click on the next, your password will be changed. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.